Hi everybody. Today I want to show you how to fill in the new editable divider tabs. So I'm going to get back to showing you on this screen, but we're going to go here. First of all, you're going to want to download Adobe Reader. If you haven't downloaded it already to your computer, it's free and it's very easy. You probably already have it. Second of all, when you do the editable divider tabs, it's only able to do on a computer or laptop. So do not open it on a tablet or iPad, whatnot. Only do it on your computer. So when you download Adobe and you open up the PDF, this is what it's going to look like right here. Okay, but what I want to show you, let's say you don't want editable tabs, you just want blank tabs. Okay, this is what it prints like. So it'll just print blank. You won't see any of my markups, you won't see anything on there. So just so you know, if you want to just make pretty plain blank tabs, this is what you'll get when you print it. Okay, but if you want to add your own info, this is what it's going to look like. And what I have done is I have preset a font and font color and font size in the form. Okay, so if you do nothing, all you have to do is type in, let's say January, and it's going to come up. I set Century Gothic, white, I believe it's 11 or 12 for the font size. You will type in January and like that. But if you're like, hey Erica, I don't want Century Gothic, I want to use Georgia and I want it to be black, okay? So first we're going to come over here and we're going to click this button. I want to start over and clear the form. Boom, like that. So now you're probably like, hey, where can I choose my fonts, sizes, and colors? Well, on your keyboard, you're going to type Command E, and it's going to pop up this lovely little property screen, okay? And you are going to, we're going to start typing, but see how I have my cursor here? And it opens up the text property box. So it's set to Century Gothic, but we're going to change it to, let's see, it'll populate with all the fonts that you have on your computer. So I think everybody pretty much has Georgia. So I'm going to choose Georgia, 12, and black. And so now I'm going to type January. And that's what it'll look like. Let's say you want it to be bold, you can bold it. You wanted to make it italic, you can make it italics. I don't like italics. So this is what it looks like. Let's say you're like, hey, how big can I go? Well, we'll blow it up to 14. Let's just blow it up really big. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. It won't let you. It won't let you. If your font size, if the font or the font size you've chosen is too big, you'll also get a black plus symbol here that just shows that it's too big. So this is how you'd have to type. You're gonna have to, whoops, I can't spell January apparently. You'll have to change the font for every single one you do, or if you do want to change the font like that. But I have it pre-done, so everyone is Century Gothic, 12, and white. And the nice thing is you can clear this form as many times as you want. So if you make a mistake, it'll clear the whole form though. So if you spent time, populating every single box and you get down here and you make a mistake, do not clear the form. Then you just double click. You can just double click on it and hit delete and it'll clear the one spot you're working on. Okay, so we're going to clear the form. I'm going to just put in a couple ABCs here. ABC, ABC. You'll see when you type the reverse, it types in reverse for you. So that way when you do print and cut these out and fold them over, the ABC up here is the way it's supposed to look. Okay, so let's pretend we filled out this whole form. You can just print it, or I suggest you save as. So you're going to save it as a new document because you don't want to write over the blank document. So then you'd click I am done editing and want to save the new PDF I created. And then you're going to click that, and it's going to bring up a dialog box, and it's going to ask where you'd like to save it. And then do you want to save it in a recent folder or just choose a different folder down here? And then you can save it, and you can have that over and over. And then you'll also have the original file as well. And that is how you do it. It's super easy, and I hope you like it. So thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.